Toronto police logged over 6,000 break-ins last year. 2,500 robberies and gunfires on a residential street in 2025. Every one of these was probably caught on camera. It didn't matter. Across Canada, only about 1 in 4 property crimes get solved, the lowest rate on record.
I've got cameras, but they don't stop anyone.
We need more than just empty promises. The incidents are increasing every week.
This isn't what I pictured when I brought my family here.
Footage is a receipt. It isn't protection. Ultimate Security installs AI-powered cameras that don't just record, they recognize. A person where nobody should be. A vehicle circling twice. A weapon in frame, detected the moment it happens.
Unusual movement detected. Send security patrol instantly.
Verified by a live operator and escalated in seconds.
Progress at Channel 2. Suspects are fleeing.
Detection, not documentation. Don't watch it happen. Stop it. Your camera should do more than remember. Contact Ultimate Security now.